thunderstorms will continue across portions of southern Oklahoma this evening. The strongest storms, from near Lawton and Waurika east of Healdton and Lake Texoma, will be capable of producing hail to the size of quarters and 60 miles an hour winds, along with frequent lightning and brief heavy rainfall. By midnight, most of the activity will be along and southeast of the line from Grant Field to Sulphur and Colgate, with a few isolated storms to the north of this line across parts of central Oklahoma to the east of the Oklahoma City metro. This activity was in response to a disturbance.
The emergency alert system has been activated. Tune to Channel 3 for more information.
The Storm Prediction Center has expanded Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 869, which is in effect until 12 midnight. Areas now included in the watch include Grant, Kay, Garfield, Noble, and Payne